In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly import customers into your Shopify store. Whether you're just starting out or looking to streamline your e-commerce operations, importing customer data can be a real game changer for your business. Stick around and I'll guide you through the entire process, step by step, to make it as smooth and hassle-free as possible. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your Shopify admin page by logging into your account. Once you're on the homepage of your store, find the Customers tab on the left-hand side. This is your gateway to managing all your customer information. Clicking on it will take you to the Customer Management section, where you can view existing customers and carry out various administrative tasks. In this section, you'll notice several options at the top or side, including Import. Clicking on Import prepares Shopify to receive new customer data from an external file. Now, this file will typically be in CSV format, which stands for comma separated values. This format is standard for spreadsheets and databases, and it's the one Shopify requires for customer data import. Make sure your CSV file is formatted correctly, with all necessary columns like first name, last name, email, and any other relevant customer information. Once you hit the import button, you'll be prompted to add the file you wish to upload. This is where you select your prepared CSV file from your computer. Simply click on the Add File option, browse your computer, and double-click on the file you're importing. Underneath Add File, Shopify might provide some guidance or a template on how the CSV should be organized. It's always a good idea to compare this with your file to ensure that everything aligns perfectly. After adding your file, the next step is to click on Import Customers. This is the moment where Shopify takes over, analyzing and uploading the data from your CSV into your customer database. Depending on the size of your file, this process might take a few seconds to a few minutes. Be patient and avoid refreshing the page during this process, as it could disrupt the upload. And there you have it. If everything goes smoothly, you should see your imported customers appear in the list. If there are any issues, Shopify will usually alert you with an error message, providing insights into what might have gone wrong. It's often something minor like a missing column or an incorrectly formatted entry, so don't worry if this happens at first. Simply correct the error and try importing the file again. Thank you for joining me today to learn how to import customers into your Shopify store quickly and efficiently. With these steps, you can now streamline how you handle customer data, ultimately improving your business operations. Don't hesitate to share this video with anyone who might find it helpful, and remember to subscribe for more e-commerce tips and tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.